बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही है, हॉटेस्ट लग रही है तुम, चूतिया लग रही है। Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Mikasa Sukasa.
So guys, today we're gonna do a who's most likely to challenge. I think most of you would already know how this challenge goes, but I'll still explain for those of you who don't know. So I'm gonna ask a question and we're gonna point a finger at whoever is most likely to do that thing. I hope that makes sense.
She's showing this finger.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, guys,
Oh, English speaking we are.
मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ.
What? Yes.
अच्छा.
English.
Let Diya speak, please.
Guys, the way we fight, you might also think that we live in a crèche.
No crutch.
Let's start.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start now. The first question is most likely to forget a loved one's birthday.
I remember.
मैं कभी भी बर्थडे नहीं भूलती हूँ. आदि तो मुझे कभी बर्थडे
आयुषी का बर्थडे,
You're not the.
आयुषी का बर्थडे मैंने
so
विश
I
कर दिया था. ओके आधे घंटे में.
No.
I miss
The thing is, the question is loved ones. You're not the loved ones. The loved ones I have, I remember all birthdays.
okay. Most likely to forget their spouse's birthday.
आकर तो भूल ही नहीं सकता.
Akarda because he is the
हमारे
only one.
स्पाउसेस को भूल सकता है कि कभी हुए तो.
I'm just saying this because he is the only one who is getting a spouse, and I don't think so. I'm getting married ever, and Akriti ji would get married very late in 1900s year later.
ये उल्टा चलता है.
Okay guys, moving on. Who's most likely to forget their wallet or a purse at a shop? She
I'm done.
literally left her wallet on the bench of like some random park.
अबे मैंने दिया से बोला दिया मैं पर्स नहीं मिल रहा है. लाइक रात में 9:30 बजे.
Just one more thing. She found one of her wallet or purse 6 months after, I guess, in a shopping bag,
Vegetable
bag. Yeah.
किचन में लटका हुआ था.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो.
Yeah, English we speak Hindi.
अरे हिंदी आती है.
Bloody illiterate.
I am.
Who's most likely to forget where they parked their car? No, you don't forget. Bhai can.
I can forget.
I might have done it.
That's right.
I never forget.
But that was my scooty, but yeah.
Guys, this has to
स्कूटी
be,
तो मैं भी भूल गई थी.
this has to be my favorite question, the coming up one.
Okay.
इसको इंग्लिश बोलो तो प्रॉब्लम, हिंदी बोलो तो प्रॉब्लम.
Yeah, man.
सॉरी ना. चलो अच्छा ठीक है, सॉरी दिया.
Most likely to get shouted by their parents. Guys, it's a hug time, guys. It's all of us.
Yeah, no.
मेरे को तो रोज सुबह ऐसी मम्मी उठाती
हर
है.
मॉर्निंग
कितना टाइम हो
उठ
रहा
जाओ.
है? क्या हो रहा है?
हाँ.
उठ जाओ तो तुमसे प्यार से बोलती हैं. आई थिंक लीस्ट
Today
जिसको
6
डांट
a.m.
पड़ती है
in
कि
the
वो
morning, I
आकर
will tell you. She woke me and said कि जाके दरवाजा बंद करके आओ. Literally, this was 6 a.m. talk.
And also because of you today, I was sleeping and she woke me up and said, "Balcony में कौन गया था?" And you blamed it on us, whereas it was you who went to the
I
balcony.
never went to the
चुप
balcony.
रहो आकर.
I
तुम
was
कैसे से
there.
हो यार?
I was there. I
और
was
इतने
there.
I don't
कन्विंस
get
कर दिया.
scolded.
Because
Don't get
he's-
scolded.
Most likely to get pissed and say something ungrateful and regretful. For sure.
Yeah.
You're not. You're far better.
Beautiful. I
But I
want
still
to-
Actually, you are
also
also
say-
not less वैसे.
I also do
बहुत
that,
बदतमीजी
so I
करता है
take
ये
this
भी.
as-
मैं को
we don't want to do Charitra Haran of him. We just wanted to point fingers.
yeah whatever. It's both of them.
Who's most likely to have a secret porn addiction?
I don't know what porn. What is porn? What the fuck? No.
I am being like, I had that. Period.
Bhai!
We have grown up.
इतना
Grown out of it.
details
I
नहीं
don't
Yeah,
watch
Danny
porn
Daniels
either.
shout out.
I have whatever. Fuck off. It is you only.
Shasha Grey.
ये तो आप लोग अच्छी भाषा का प्रयोग
Sorry
करें.
मैं बगैर तू
Who's most likely to get drunk and have a one night stand?
No रे छी यार हद हो गई बदतमीजी की. No, it's
She
not.
was dancing in a pub. I
मम्मी
guess
भी देखेगी यार YouTube चैनल
तो वो मम्मी को भी पता है हम लोग साथ ही रहते हैं सब चारों के चारों टॉयट
मम्मी को भी बताओ, डैडी को भी बताओ क्या करते। I saw this on Big Boss. I'm sorry.
टॉट
Who's most likely to convert to another religion?
for love
Not for love,
in general.
in general. Or I don't know. I think this one also can.
I have one question. Should I ask?
Yeah, go ahead.
Who is most likely to cheat on someone?
कुछ भी
क्या भाई कुछ भी बकवास. Okay, next. Who would most likely to be the richest? I think you.
हाँ भाई बोल.
Diya can be the richest.
Super rich ना.
हाँ.
No, I am genuinely saying this.
No, Diya can be richest.
Diya, matlab, I am just saying that you guys are doing very well in your life.
I
I
am
know.
just saying who wants to be the richest.
Not
I'm
wants.
saying who's most likely to be the
So
I
the
think
thing
Diya
is,
is most likely to.
Who
be.
Diya
wants to be
has-
the richest is surely you.
yeah. Who?
Anyway, who is most likely to be a sadist?
I am a sadist.
Actually, you are a sadist. You're like.
Yeah, that. I'm just thinking my whole answers. I guess I should not be doing that.
Who will most likely make it big as an actor or an actress?
Diya can make it big.
Yeah, none
I
of
think
the
it's
above is
Diya.
an option because 1, 2, 3 and the D option is none of the above and that I will choose.
मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी नहीं.
Yeah.
Diya can be an actress.
I
क्योंकि
don't
acting कर
think
लेती
so.
है.
Just because I think she
No,
doesn't
if we
want
say
to.
acting and all in front of parents, then you.
I agree.
I am like मेरी तो ऐसे ना बीवी छोड़ के चली जाएगी मुझे. ऐसी बातें करते नहीं.
सच बोलो सच बोलो सच बोलो सच बोलो सच बोलो
Yes, this will be the last question. Who is most likely to get away with a murder? I think even he can. He's very, fishy. That guy.
आदि तो ऐसे सोच रहे जैसे यूपीएससी का एग्जाम हो उसको सही आंसर ही देना है.
I think
Serious
probably
है वो.
I can get out of a murder.
I think Akbar could, if not me.
Yeah, even both of you.
I can. I'm like.
Yeah,
I have this
Akal
face,
Dai only, I
this
guess.
puppy face that I made.
Thank you. Finally, we have got answer.
It's just that
भाई ने बहुत मेहनत की है.
it's people who have lived in a hostel also that gives a little bit of an X factor because as soon as any faculty comes, you need to clean the room, and that also comes into the hand, I guess, right? No.
Next question,
I have
please.
no
I
idea.
don't want
Sorry.
Also, you are what?
भाई
Oh,
क्या?
message,
Okay,
message.
guys,
The fifth person is here.
Yeah.
to. I'm
Yeah.
just checking
Nah,
my
she
phone
is there.
randomly. I have this addiction of checking my phone every now and then.
Yeah, I don't have that like I cannot do
करता ही
that.
नहीं है message.
Because
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't know
Okay,
what it is.
guys.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, guys, that was.
People who I even message, they don't even see that. Yes, you are listening.
next question.
I think we are done, right?
Yeah,
Who is most likely to top an exam?
I think it's her. She's
I cannot. I don't like to top the exam. Likely to travel more than 10 countries.
और actually कोई भी कर सकते हैं. We
कोई
all
भी
love
कर
to
सकते
I think
travel.
only
But I
Aditya
think-
can travel more than 10
आदि
countries.
मुझे भी लगता है हम सब में सबसे ज्यादा
Just
आदि
at
का.
least one.
I think. Who is most likely to get caught smoking?
क्या हम इसको बता कैसे सकते हैं कि क्या घोर पाप किया है इसने आज नहीं
Okay, I think we are done क्योंकि अब हम लड़ने वाले हैं. So yeah, see you guys in another video and thank you for watching. Please, if you like, do share, subscribe to our channel
And press the bell icon. Very important. Press the
Okay,
bell
bye,
icon.
guys. Thanks for
Bye,
watching.
guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, bye.
अरे ये क्या कहता लास्ट
Impromptu था.
आपको नहीं कहा मैंने.